Alright, guys. You guys ready for bed?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright. Good night, guys.
Night.
Lights, please.
Night.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Hey, guys, you guys awake?
Yeah, I am now.
Hey, I'm gonna go use the restroom, okay?
Okay. You woke us up to say that? You what?
Because knowing you're so incredibly stupid you would panic just because I'd be gone for 2 seconds.
No. Because you would just wake us up for that good night.
Yeah, guys, I'm not really feeling too well. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and see if I can get something that can cure me.
Okay.
I know what can cure me. Donuts! Alright, guys, I'm back.
Alright, guys.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling the greatest.
Wait, where's Luigi?
He went to go get some medicine because he wasn't feeling good too.
Yep.
Oh, I mean, if you guys are not feeling well, I mean, I can see why you guys are both not feeling well because, I mean, after all, you guys are sitting next to each other, so, like...
Yeah. Should I go get some medicine?
Yeah, I guess so.
I only got a
That's what I
cough.
would
Thank
do.
you. I only got a cough. I'll be right back.
Wait, why are you sleeping somewhere else?
Because I'm gonna get sick. That's why.
You're gonna get sick?
I'm gonna get sick then.
You're afraid of getting sick?
Yes!
Okay, whatever.
I'm not gonna get sick. No, wait.
Such a cute fox.
Do you really have to say that at a time like this?
Yes, you look, I'm sorry, but when you just cuddle in like that, you look so, you're furry and cute. You look like a dog.
Do you mind?
You little cute.
Yay!
Wait. Ah! Okay, fine, I won't bother you. You endangered animal.
Endangered. Endangered.
Give me my
Endangered.
Give me my covers. Give me my covers.
Want me to show you endangered? You've never been a most endangered species than you are right now. I swear it. No.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Okay, I'm sorry.
You guys are both endangered. I'm going to bed. Alright, guys, I'm back.
Yeah.
Where's everyone, Mario? Well, Amy went to go get some medicine, and, Tails decided to switch because he's afraid of getting sick because you said that you didn't feel good, and Amy's now saying he didn't feel good. I mean, she. Sorry. Oh, okay. Man, he does look really cute, right? I told you. Alright, anyway. Amy, is Amy back yet? I don't even know. I don't see Amy. Hey, Tails, who said you could talk?
I could what?
Who said you could talk?
What?
Who said you could talk?
Okay, anyway.
It's 8 in the morning.
Okay, you know what? I got a cough. I'm gonna go get some medicine.
Don't cough in my face.
I'm not going to.
Okay, good. That's what I thought so. I might just go get some toast or something. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah. What?
Oh, what is it? Oh.
Chompy!
Oh, what happened to Dale?
Oh my god. If he farts one more time, I think he's... Okay, Chompy, we gotta take him to the restroom. Look, come on, we got it. Alright, come on, Chompy, come on. Poop. Oh. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, do you feel better, Chompy? You do... Oh. You lied to me. Oh, okay, apparently... That's yellow. He pooped pee. What? Chompy! What are you doing? Chompy, come on, we're taking you back to the bed. Come on. Oh my god, that has to be the most disgusting experience in my entire life. Alright, guys, let's just settle something. Let's just settle something. We are all sick.
Yeah.
You can't deny that. We are all sick. So even though it is very extremely late, we're gonna go... We need to go see a doctor because I'm not feeling good, Luigi's not feeling good, Amy's not feeling good, Tails doesn't really feel good,
And obviously
Chompy has diarrhea. which is dehydration that can give him allergies. So we're all going to the doctor. Everybody, we're going to the doctor. Come on, let's
Let's go.
Hello, sir. We're here to see a doctor. I am the doctor. Oh, are you feeling okay?
Not really.
Oh, okay. What about you guys? No.
Yeah, we do need him.
We really.
And a dog.
And a dog has like very, very extremely bad diarrhea. So like we need to. Okay, well I'm gonna scan all of you. Oh wait, before you take this DNA or whatever, what should we call you? People call me Doctor, but you could call me Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
You could just call me Dr. P for short. Okay. That is extremely clever, and I'm gonna have to give you a high five for that. There you go. That actually hurt my shell. God, this puppy, like I have not met a. Okay. No. Okay. So we're gonna scan you. I've never met a patient this annoying as this dog right here. Like he poops minutely. Like you. Okay. I'm gonna just check you. All right. So Mario, I'm gonna have to check your butt. Wait, what? I have to check your butt. Oh my. Whatever. Okay. Mario, you are not sick. I'm not. Okay. Maybe it's just allergies or something. Alright, Luigi, I need to see your butt. Oh my god. Luigi, you are sick. What? Me and Mario are the same spouse. How come he's not sick? I don't know, because he's more healthier than you, loser. Oh, come on! Alright, Chompy. I hate to say this considering you have diarrhea, but I have to see. Oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? No, I'm not. Okay. Yes, I'm perfectly fine. Okay. Okay. Stop it. Okay, Amy.
Take the dog outside.
Take the dog outside, please.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute, Amy. I'm gonna need you to come back here. Mario, can you go check the dog, please, since you're the only one not sick? Whatever. Come on, Choppy. All right, Amy. I'm gonna have to check your butt.
What?
Did you not? Are you stupid? Did you not see what I just did to Mario, Luigi, and your dog? I need to see your butt. I'm sorry.
I am a woman.
Okay, whatever. I still need to see your butt.
Oh, this is gonna be embarrassing. Nobody
Just
tell
Real
anything.
quick. Just real quick, okay? Amy, you are sick.
I knew it.
But on the bright side, we do have a medicine that can cure that in a day, according to the description.
Okay.
I'll give you the medicine. Okay, hold on. Let me get it real quick. All right, Amy. Here is the medicine.
What?
Yeah. That's the medicine. It's a huge jar.
Okay, what do I do with it?
Just take it home. There are pills inside of it. You gotta put your hand in the very tip right here. You gotta like gouge your hand down it, and then you'll feel some pills. You gotta take it out, eat them.
Ugh,
They taste like peanut butter. Trust me, it tastes good.
Okay, I'll take it. I hate to do it, but I'll take it.
Thank you, doctor.
All right. Where is Mario and that dog back? All right, we're back. He should be good now. All right. That has to be the most grossest experience in my entire life. Now, anyway, since I didn't finish the scan, I need to see your butt. Okay. Everything's looking. Alright, guys, we're gonna finish our nap with the lights on.
Alright, fine.
Give me a minute.
Good night.
Wait, what's wrong? Oh, you're taking the pills?
Yes.
Cool.
Can please
how do
anybody not look?
How do they taste?
He said he tastes like peanut butter.
Does it taste like peanut butter?
I don't know. I haven't tasted one, but
Okay, well, good for you, I guess.
I'm not gonna
Oh
look.
god, I'm not gonna look either. I mean, I kinda like it.
Luigi, you look away right now.
Why?
I'm out. I'm out.
Whatever, nobody liked you anyway, Tails. Alright, hopefully, let's just all go to sleep. Hopefully we all feel better in the morning.
I got the pill.
Oh my god, Chompy!
I got the pill. Let's see. Does taste like peanut butter.
Okay, you know what? Guys, remember that
Out of the way.
Remember that game, Dr. Mario?
Yeah, what? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a doctor, so I can check his butt. I swear to God, if he farts while me looking in his butt, I'm going to stick my hand so far down his butt. He's gonna taste it.
That was a video
Do you
game.
understand? Who cares, man? Okay, I'm gonna check his butt. All right, I'm going to stick. Do that again. Do that. Do that again, please. Please go right ahead. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah. He's doing it. He's doing it. How about we just all go take a nap, and then in the middle of the night, I'll check it in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
Maybe he's just maybe he's just not in the mood right now. Okay, we'll just.
Oh, someone's sleeping there.
Stand back for this, you know. Okay. Alright, Chompy. Let's just get this over with. Come on, Chompy, sit down. Hurry. You gotta sit. Come on, hurry. Oh my God. You know what? I'm not even gonna stay here. I'm not gonna stay. Hey, Amy. Chompy! Hey, Amy, I have to ask you something.
Yeah.
Those pills that you took, did they really taste like peanut butter or no?